Hello everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Argos Mastercard account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in www.myargoscard.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up on this official page, scroll down and under enter your login details, type in your login ID followed by your surname. Go ahead and type in your login ID in the first text box. If you don't remember your login ID, you can click on the forgotten your login ID link and follow through the instructions. If you'd like the system to remember your login ID, check this little box beneath, but leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. On the next field, type in your surname. If you've not registered for argos.co.uk yet, you can click on the register for this website button at the bottom and follow through the registration process. Finally, after filling in your login ID along with your surname, you can click the next button in order to log in and access to your Argos Mastercard account. After you're logged in, you can manage everything related to your account in one place, from paying your balance or updating your details. That is how you can easily log into your Argos Mastercard online account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.